Make cocktail weenies. Cocktail weenies are popular party appetizers, and it is especially popular with kids. They are also known as pigs in a blanket or as mini franks. They are delicious and filling and are always a hit during parties. If you would like to serve cocktail weenies on your next gathering, below are steps on how to make them. Prepare your ingredients. Before anything, determine how many cocktail weenies you are planning to serve. For a regular batch, you will need pre-mixed dough or refrigerator dough, a pack of frankfurters, 2 cookie sheets, and parchment paper. Preheat your oven. Read the instructions on your pre-mixed dough and find out which temperature setting you should set your oven to. Dough will usually require that you preheat your oven to 350 degrees, but be sure to read the instructions carefully so you won't burn your dough or undercook them. Line the cookie sheets. Cut out sheets of parchment paper and line the cookie sheets with these. This will prevent any burnt dough from sticking to your cookie sheets, and will make it easier for you to clean up after. If you do not have parchment paper, you can also use some wax paper. Get the dough and hot dogs ready. Take out your crescent dough and spread out a section. Take out one whole hot dog and place it on the section that you have spread out. Be sure that you have dried the hot dog a bit before you place it on the dough. A quick pat with a napkin will do. Place the hot dog on top of the dough and roll the dough to cover the hot dog completely. Press the ends of the dough firmly to close off the cocktail weenie. Separate the rolled up frank from the remaining dough, and set aside. Lay out the franks on the cookie sheets. Once you have encased all hot dogs in dough, place them on your parchment paper-lined cookie sheet. Leave enough space in between each hot dog, since the dough will expand once cooked. Bake the cocktail weenies. Take your cookie sheets and bake them in your oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. Wait until the dough is a beautiful golden color, and the hot dogs are cooked well. Serve as soon as cooked, and while it is still warm. You can serve your cocktail weenies with various dips and condiments. Kids love mustard and ketchup with these, while you can come up with a more interesting dip for your adult guests. You can mix some extra virgin olive oil with some crushed pepper and other herbs to give a more sophisticated flavor to the appetizers. You can also add slices of cheese beside the hot dog before you roll them into the dough. The melted cheese inside will definitely provide a delicious taste to the cocktail weenies. Preparing cocktail weenies can be fun, and you can even ask your kids to help you out. They will definitely enjoy getting their hands into the dough. Just be sure that you are safe, especially when you are using the oven. You wouldn't want any untoward incidents taking place before a big party.